Hi, I'm Alex and welcome to the Boathouse Paddle Series where we look at everything concerning paddle. In today's demo, I'm going to show you how to add dynamic pricing to your marketing website or any website that you want to display a product price on. Dynamic pricing means the data, so the price gets taken from your paddle account directly. Instead of you manually having to type it or to update it, it'll just use the information from paddle. And if you have price overrides for certain currencies and countries, or even if you have automatic currency conversion enabled in paddle, it will always show the local price for that user. Paddle knows where the user is coming from, which country, used based on their browser. So it will collect the information that is correct for that country. To do that, I'm going to extend the example that we used in the paddle checkout button in the previous video. So go and have a look at that if you haven't done that already. And what I'm going to do is add a text field just underneath the title here. And I'm going to just empty the text here. I'm just going to put a dash here because we're going to replace this with the price later on. Then I'm going to head under settings and add an ID to this element. Now, why do I need an ID? Well, we'll see in a JavaScript snippet that we use, I need to reference this element to be able to replace the text here with the price that paddle returns. Once I've done that, I need this JavaScript that I spoke of. Now, there are on the paddle developer documentation site, there are code snippets. You can see this build a pricing page, which has a full example of adding multiple products and different country selectors, monthly, yearly options, and you can see very complex code here on how to add those prices in. We're going to use a very simple example. All you need for that is to go into your products page, copy the ID of the price you'd like to display, and then use this snippet. It reminds you, if you've looked at the previous video, you can see we have the same kind of items structure at the top here. We're referencing a product from my account. Again, asking it to give me the price for one quantity. And this up here will call out to paddle to get that information. I don't need to do anything specific to get the country information. That's all done by paddle automatically. And then down here is the part where I replace the item, the price text field that I added with the formatted total for this particular price. So I'm going to copy this and going into my CMS again. And if you remember, we added an embed field here where we added the paddle.js, this is the script, and the set up the environment. Now, just underneath the initialization, I'm going to paste this snippet and hit done. And if I save this page now, and view the site online, we can see paddle replaces the pricing text here with the price that is configured in paddle. Just to show you that this is correct, we can go over here and edit this price and increase it to $129. Save that. And if I go back to refresh this page, now the updated price is here. So you're only managing your prices in one place, the paddle account, and don't have to update all your pricing tables, the marketing websites, and so on. You can just dynamically load this information. Thanks for watching. That's all for today.